Gutire kihonia o giothe gikinyanirio hindi ya gikaro kiria gikuhaririirio gatagati ka arutwo atongoria a university itiganite guku bururi-ini na ruhonge rwa githomo kia ngathi cia iguru rigie mateta mao makonie mogaruruku maria mendekithitie gutabanio thiini wa mutaratara mweru wa UGAI wa KIGINA kia university.
After a stakeholders meeting in Naivasha, we presented petitions and they've never been implemented up to today. Now our question is, now that they are calling us for a second time, what is it that they have done differently? What is it that they're going to do differently? Today we are here and then we are again waiting for another calling without implementation.
Thutha wa kwaga kuiguithaniria arutwo aya riu marenda mutaratara uyu guteanirio kaimana makiuga uraguna arutwo anini tu na kuhingiriria namba nene ya arutwo aria matari na uhoti.
This model is benefiting some individuals or some parties which are not related in any way to the students. We do not want the loans, we do not want any more loans, we do not even have job opportunities to pay those loans afterwards, so we are rejecting the whole model. And kindly please do not call us for another meeting if it is not going to be.
We have delayed disbursement to the universities. Last year, we saw the State Department of Education saying that we should allow students to sit for exams with huge fee balances. So what is the implication of that?
Arutwo aya oho makiuga mutaratara uyu urakuithia aciari murigo munene wa mathire amu mbeca nyingi iria maramukira ni kuhitukira ngombo cia HELB. Makiuga uyu waya gugakorwo ari thina munene riria mundu agafatara kwambiriria kuriha ngombo ici.
There is no way you can tell us that you have all that amount to give us loans but you don't have the money to fund the education. The other thing, you cannot tell us that the previous funding model had an issue where, as for us, we did not complain in any of that.
Are you changing the education from an investment to a source of revenue so as to settle the crippling debts in public universities?
Mateta maya meyumiritie riri arutwo a KCSE mwaka wa 2023 matanyitwo kwambiriria kuingira university mweri-ini wa kenda. Arutwo aya makihita gugathararia mihang'o ino kinyagia mutaratara uyu uteanirio kaimana.
Parents are frustrated, students are frustrated, comrades are yawning, and the time is due to reject the new funding model in totality so that our education can be to par the way it was.
On September, when first years will be coming, we want to let you that they won't enter that university.
Hadini hakameme TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.